I have a pair of demos, one for me and one I'm gonna do on behalf of Rob. Um, so the first one is that off the back of some of the conversation we were having on the Wednesday meeting, product meeting around like how do we help people better maintain their model, like when they're in the content validator, how do they know if they're changing something, what it's going to impact. And so we started doing a little bit of modeling out of like the model data or like model usage. So what we've got is you can now, and this is live on the analytics instance too, so this is available for customers. But we've got this report that splits out by a specific topic name, like what are all of the pieces of content, the owners, and some usage stats for those. So that now you can know, like, well, one, which topics are used is cool, but also I can come down here and see like there's this one random topic with this random Chris test dashboard. If I'm going to go break that, I probably, sorry, Chris, but probably don't care about your dashboard that you haven't viewed in however many months. So we might just go ahead and archive it. And it's just, it's a cool way to kind of dive in and keep your model a bit more cleanly, see what's useful, what's not. So this is available. I'm not going to expand this because there's some emails in here, but this is available on analytics as a new model usage dashboard, and it is also exposed as a new topic. So now you can come and get a lot of that stuff. We're still working on getting some of the field level info out, so you can do a similar thing and see like by field, where is it used and how much.
This is so awesome.
Demo
Yeah,
one.
I mean, the ultimate goal here is that we get this all into the data model. So like it's unavoidable when you're touching things also.
Yep.
But you can sort of directly see how valuable, just being able to see like the last view date is huge, but also just like a list of the dashboards that exist on a thing. I think one thing that we've noticed that there's a lot of copies and sort of dead content that is surviving through our instance that we're going to have to figure out the right tools for cleanup here. But it makes touching the model feel much less risky. Like there was a pair of topics that I hid because I wasn't sure whether I could delete them. And then after we had this, I realized that no one was using them, was able to delete both of them. So some really kind of cool workflows opened up here.
So that's my
demo.
Ariel. Oh, yes. Sorry. Who first?
All right, Lee, you want to go?
Sure. I was just going to ask if this includes content in a user's personal folder or if it's only content in shared.
Yeah, it's
okay.
Yep. Probably could get to, I don't think I've joined it in, but that's a good call. I probably could pull in the folder, like the path of where it actually exists. You can also just directly like open it and see too, but yep, it's everything.
Oh, thank you.
It sounded like there were fields in here. You said you could see like how frequently those are used. Is that right?
You can. I gotta go figure this out a little bit more, but yes, we will be adding in field level information. So like, yeah, you can also get down into, I don't have a great demo of it right now, but like for a dashboard, we also know, I did a better job modeling this in our actual environment for analytics, but like tab names even. So like not just the workbook, but specific, what is the tab name that is impacted or using this topic or using this field?
Yeah, I know. Very cool. Like one, it's super awesome to see that. One of the things I've heard before also, just maybe take into consideration, is like if a bunch of people are calling something the exact same, the field name, like it's a custom field, seeing like maybe it's in 40 different workbooks, and if you added that up, it would be one of the most used fields, but in isolation, it looks like each one of those is only being used once.
Yeah.
Something to dig into. Awesome.
Yeah, this is just the first part of pulling together all of that data.
Totally.
Like this, like it's the core idea here is lots of tooling around content management and model management, both pushing things out of the shared model back into workbooks and absorbing things from workbooks into the core model, and just expiring things that aren't getting used.
100%.
Cool.